These are the top 5 best balance transfer credit cards plus 0% APR on purchases also. As everyone prepares for the holiday season, a lot of Americans are going to go out there and they're going to spend money. In 2023 alone, Americans spent on average $2,100 during the holiday season. So in today's video, I'm going to give you some serious holiday tips that you need to pay attention to. And I'm also going to show you some credit cards that can help you save money if you plan on using credit cards or if you need to transfer a balance. These are the top 5 credit cards for balance transfers and for 0% APR if you're planning on putting a bunch of money on a credit card for the holiday season. But before we get into this video, make sure that you smash that like and subscribe button so this video gets out to more people so everyone can stay informed. Major shopping tip right here. If you are a Discover It credit card holder with the cashback credit card, make sure to activate your 5% cashback for the month of December. So from 10/1/2024 all the way up to 12/31/2024, you will get 5% cashback for any purchases made on Amazon.com or Target, all the way up to $1,500. So for Amazon.com, the purchases include those made through Amazon.com checkout, like digital downloads, Amazon Fresh orders, Amazon local deals, and Amazon Prime subscriptions, and items sold by third-party merchants through Amazon.com's marketplace. This also includes purchases in store at Amazon Go and Amazon Fresh. Purchases made online and in store with Whole Foods Market are not included in the promotion. Now, as far as Target purchases include those made in store at Target, Target.com, and through the Target app. Pretty simple and cut and dry. All right, my second shopping tip. If you have an American Express Platinum card, you need to make sure that you actually activate your Walmart Plus membership because it's included with your Platinum card membership. Now, if you are gonna set up your Walmart Plus, you don't have to choose the expensive plan. You can just do the Paramount Essentials. That's what I do because I just use it for shopping. And then if you do decide to use that Paramount Plus with Showtime, now understand, I think it's just an introductory of $5.49 a month, and then after that it's $12.99 a month. Now the crazy part is the Platinum card gets you a $12.95 statement credit for your Walmart Plus. So it might come out costing you 4 extra cents more if you want to bump it up. But this is going to get you early access to all the Black Friday deals. And if you order anything from Walmart Plus and you have the Walmart Plus membership, you're also going to get free shipping to your home and free home delivery. That's also going to include groceries if that's what you would like to do. But it doesn't just stop there with this membership. This membership is super powerful. Let me go over the list of all the things you're going to get real quick. You're going to get free online pet care. So it's like a digital veterinary service that you get that's included with your actual Walmart Plus membership, which is kind of crazy. You're also going to get Burger King savings, get 25% off digital orders every day. You'll also get a discount on member prices on fuel at the Walmart gas stations, upgraded entertainment, take a trip with Walmart Plus travel, auto care discounts, returns from home, so you don't even have to leave your house if you have to send something back to Walmart Plus. And remember what I said, you're going to get free delivery from the store to your home, so you don't have to wait like weeks. They'll actually let you choose a slot on when you want to book your delivery, and they'll deliver that item, and you'll enjoy free shipping on everything else also. But also, depending on the region, they may offer in-home delivery, which is kind of crazy because they'll actually deliver your groceries and then put them in your fridge for you. I don't know how I feel about that. It's kind of wild. Tell me what you think in the comments about that because that's kind of crazy. All right, now let's jump into this list of the best balance transfer credit cards that also offer 0% APR on your purchases. They're all going to vary from credit card to credit card, so just be aware. Coming in at number 5 is the Citi Diamond Preferred Credit Card. Now, the reason why this comes in at number 5 because this card doesn't have any crazy frills or thrills. This is designed to get you 0% for 12 months on purchases and 0% for 24 months on balance transfers. Now, understand there is a transfer fee that is 5% of whatever your balance is going to be, but this credit card also comes in with no annual fee. Coming in at number 4 is the Citi Double Cash Credit Card. Now, with the Citi Double Cash, you're going to enjoy no annual fee and 0% intro APR for 18 months on balance transfers only. Remember, only on balance transfers, not for your purchases. And you're always gonna get 2% cash back on everything. You'll get 1% cash back the moment you make the purchase, and then 1% cash back when you actually pay pay for the purchase. Coming in at number 3 is the Citi Simplicity credit card. You're gonna get low intro APR on balance transfers for 21 months, but you're also gonna get a low intro APR on purchases for 12 months. So 0% intro APR for 12 months on all of your purchases. And this credit card also has no annual fees, no late fees, and no penalty rate, and zero liability on unauthorized charges, which normally comes with every single credit card, just in case you were wondering. We're gonna keep it simple, keep this moving, because we don't want this to be a crazy long video. I wanna give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using DisputeBeast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created, and specifically to Wesley, Wesley's credit score went up over 226 points after just 2 rounds with DisputeBeast. And also Marcus's credit score went up 337 points after just 2 rounds with DisputeBeast. And let's not forget Richard's credit score went up 446 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. DisputeBeast is going to be pinned at the very top of the comments and in the video description for anybody that needs to fix their credit. Last part's the most important. Coming in at number 2 is the Blue Cash Preferred credit card from American Express. Now you're gonna come in with a low intro APR of 0% on purchases and balance transfers for 12 months from the date of account opening with this credit card. Now this is a huge deal with this credit card because it has a lot of other bells and whistles. You're also gonna get 6% cash back at supermarkets up to $6,000 per year, and then everything after is gonna be 1%. You're also gonna get 6% cash back on select US streaming subscriptions. You're also gonna get 3% cash back at US gas stations, 3% cash back on transit, including taxis, ride shares, parking, tolls, trains, buses, and more, and 1% back on all other purchases. But be aware, your cash back is going to be received in the form of reward dollars that can be redeemed as a statement credit or Amazon.com at checkout. Now this card comes with a $0 intro annual fee for the first year, and then it's gonna be $95 every year after. And you're also gonna get the $84 Disney bundle credit with your enrolled Blue Cash Preferred card. You're gonna spend $9.99 or more each month on an auto-renewing Disney bundle to receive a monthly statement credit of $7. Coming in at number 1 is the Blue Cash Everyday card from American Express. You're going to earn $200 statement credits after you spend $2,000 on purchases on your new card within the first 6 months. Now this credit card is one of my favorites because it comes in at no annual fee, and you're going to enjoy 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers for 15 months from the date of account opening. You're also going to enjoy 3% cash back at US supermarkets up to $6,000 per year, and then it's 1% after the actual cap. 3% cash back on US online retail purchases on up to $6,000 per year. You're going to get 3% cash back at US gas stations up to $6,000 per year. I mean, who spends $6,000 on gas? That's kind of crazy for a year. Also be aware, cash back is received in the form of reward dollars that can be redeemed as a statement credit or at Amazon.com checkout. And you'll get the same deal here with the Disney Plus bundle. You'll actually get $7 per month as a statement credit. But remember, with these 2 cashback credit cards with American Express, you're not going to get American Express points. They're gonna give them to you as a statement credit. Or sorry, it says reward dollars that can be redeemed as a statement credit, or you can use them on Amazon.com. Now, links for all these cards will be in the video description for anyone that needs to use them. We greatly appreciate it if you use our links because it does help support our channel. Now, always remember, if you have any friends that have these credit cards, see if they have a referral link, because sometimes that referral may get you an elevated offer that you can't find anywhere else. Also be aware, if you're looking for any elevated offers, I created a free Facebook group called Limitless Points and Miles. You can go in there and post your referral links for any of your credit cards that are gonna get somebody else an elevated offer, and of course it's gonna help you either get points, get any kind of bonuses that your actual credit card company is offering. This group is going to be 100% free, and we will not allow anyone to sell anything inside of this group. So go in there, be responsible, and we will be watching you, so don't be doing anything crazy in that group, okay? Also be aware that you want to have above a 700 credit score for any of the Citibank credit cards, and you can get into any of the American Express credit cards with a 660 or a 680 and above. But remember, everyone's credit profile is going to be different, so don't come into the comments saying, oh, I didn't get approved. There's a reason why you didn't get approved. Pay attention to the actual denial letter and then improve your credit and come back and reapply. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We covered another big one on the best balance transfer credit cards with 0% APR on purchases also. Now make sure that you watch this next video because it is about American Express and how you can literally 3x your credit limits with no hard inquiry. Now, if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.